Okay, Fleming Park, where are we? Hoover?
This,
You're gonna record it?
this
Oh,
Fleming Park in Hoover, is that where we are?
So if you got a squat, you know, just make sure it's out of the...
with the canoe.
Go as far as you can. Oh, canoe? I don't know.
So there's a canoe and kayak launch here. City of Hoover Parks and Recreation. So there's your QR code, folks, for more info.
Love the artwork.
Oh, cool. Couple picnic tables. Is this the canoe launch?
I don't know. I don't have a canoe, so I don't know.
Is this the canoe launch?
Yes, sir.
You got to drop it down the rope or something? You got to have two cars. Or hold it while you're...
Or just walk.
Oh, yes, walk it down. Yeah.
I don't know. I guess you map it out, I guess, before you need to go.
You can go on paddling.com and it has all the put-ins and takeouts. Well, here we are, Cahaba River.
I'm attracted to it. I mean,
You'd have to climb
Yeah,
up.
old rail structure. Back over there, across the Cahaba. Yeah, it may not be long till that's on the ground.
And this one too.
Yep.
Woodpecker bait.
It looks like it.
Yeah, you can see all the woodpecker holes in that tree.
You see mushrooms growing on it?
Yep, it's showing decay.
Look at that one now.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if something's living in there.
Probably.
I don't know how far. There's another section on the other side of the subdivision. We never found the connection to this section.
The skin just comes right off of it.
Uh-oh. Oh, there's his...
Well, we'll try to do better next time.
You go this way, it's a little muddy, but
I don't care about little muddy.
you can come back this way if you want. Yeah, they cross over.
Alright.
Yeah, well, why don't we go this way because it's a little muddy down there. There's another way to cross over.
I got shoes that can take mud. So what do you think about the kayaking possibilities? I haven't, but I want to see it.
You didn't give me time.
I got one and I'll send it to you.
Sit down.
All right.
Sit down again.
What like you're thinking about life?
Just like
Yeah, like he's ever smoked a joint in his life.
We could solve that problem.
I know we could.
I can't even see him down there.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Is everybody in here?
Yep,
so.
yep.
I think
Okay,
so.
so. Good job.
Wait a second.
There you go.
you go.
Okay.
No, I'm not. Laura's not in it. Her head ain't closed.
I saw it.
Everybody scrunch up.
A little bit.
Heads to the center.
There you go. Just see your face here.
I'm behind your head.
All right, yeah,
Okay,
somebody's
good.
All
There
right.
you go.
I think
behind Blaney. Yeah.
somebody's behind my head.
Yep.
Me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got Ann.